If your Windows computer is stuck on the please wait screen, don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through several proven methods to fix the issue and get your PC running normally again. This problem can happen during startup and may be caused by corrupt system files, outdated drivers, or startup apps. Let's begin with the first method, forcing a hard shutdown. Press and hold your computer's power button until it turns off completely. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Sometimes this simple restart can resolve the hang at the please wait screen. If not, let's try starting Windows in save mode. Power off your PC again, then power it back on and immediately press the F8 or Shift F8 key repeatedly. On some systems, you may need to interrupt the boot process 3 times to trigger recovery mode. When the recovery menu appears, go to Advanced Options, then select Startup Settings and click Restart. After your PC restarts, press the number for save mode with networking. Once inside save mode, press Windows key R to open the Run dialog, type msconfig and hit Enter. In the System Configuration window, click the Services tab. Check the box that says Hide all Microsoft services and then click Disable all. Now go to the Startup tab and open Task Manager. You will all start up items by right-clicking and choosing Disable. Close Task Manager and click OK in the System Configuration window. Restart your computer normally. This will help you bypass any third-party apps causing the hang. If this doesn't solve it, we can run a system file checker scan. Boot into save mode. Again, open the command prompt as administrator, type sfc/scanow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. It can take several minutes. The tool will automatically repair any corrupted system files it finds. After that, restart your PC and check if the issue is resolved. If not, let's try one more method, clearing the event viewer logs. Still in save mode, press Windows key R and type eventvwr.msc, then press Enter. In the left pane, expand Windows Logs and right-click each of the following application security setup system. For each one, click Clear Log and confirm. This can help if the system is trying to load large or corrupt log files during startup. Once done, restart your computer and check if it boots normally. If none of the methods worked, consider doing a system restore. From the recovery options, select System Restore and choose a restore point from before the issue started. Follow the prompts to restore your system without affecting your files. Finally, if you still can't get past the please wait screen, your best option may be to reset Windows. From the recovery screen, choose Reset this PC. Select Keep My Files to preserve your data and follow the on-screen instructions. This will reinstall Windows and remove apps and settings that might be causing the problem. After the reset is complete, your system should boot normally without getting stuck. Hopefully, one of these steps helped you fix the issue. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.